Hi, I'm Andy from Backcountry Access. This season with our float packs, we've made our float system totally removable and interchangeable. So today I'm going to show you how to remove your float airbag components from the Float 32 and swap them into the Float 22. The first step is to remove your airbag. To do this, you're going to need to open the breakaway zipper. Now you don't want to unzip it, so just start at the breakaway point, pull the teeth apart, and there you go. Now your airbag compartment's open. The second step you're going to do is to unthread this orange rope, and it's really easy. It's just kind of a sew pattern. Unthread that. So the airbag, the ejector, and the air hose are all removable. The trigger actually stays with each individual pack. So once you have your airbag removed, it's time to install it into your pack. So now we're going to put it in the Float 22. Once you have that airbag pocket open, we're going to slide the air hose in. And then we're going to secure the airbag to the new pack with the orange rope and this webbing here. Now we're just kind of going to sew in this airbag. So we're going to go down through the airbag hole, through the webbing, and back up. And we're going to do that for each one of these slits here. The process just takes a couple minutes. And once you have the rope sewn through the airbag, you just need to secure it in this little black loop, and the rope just threads through there and then just goes and gets velcroed closed in there. Now your airbag is fully installed into your Float 22, and now you just need to put in your cylinder, connect the air hose and the trigger, repack it, and you're all set to go out for the day.